So lately I have been really getting into gradual tanners, not feeling like I want a really dark tan, but I do want a bit of colour, and I find that I'm sort of gravitating towards a lighter tan look anyway lately. So I've been looking around and trialing a lot of gradual tans, and these are my top 5 at the moment. First one is Bondi Sans. It's 10 points for being a pump pack, because anything where, you know, you're busy in the morning, you want to get ready for work fast. Body lotions, I think, should always be in a pump pack. Just the ease of, you know, going like this rather than taking lids off and fumbling when you've got creamy hands. It's just major game changer. This one smells really lovely and light, like cocoa butter. It's got an almost chocolatey sort of aroma, which is beautiful. It smells really light. It smells like cocoa butter, which is really lovely when it's a bit colder. It's not too sort of tropical when you're in that kind of winter headspace. And the color it gives is really natural, and you know, it doesn't even look like you've really got a tan. It just looks like it's your natural skin color. Second up, I have really been enjoying the Isle of Paradise Happy Tan. So this one is, you have to be very careful when you actually open the lid though. So it does drizzle out really fast. I'll show you, it's kind of quite drizzly. Look, it's already going. But it's super liquid, easy to spread. Oh God. And it actually has a little bit of gleam, like it's actually got little luminous particles in it, so you can't really see it, but it's really lovely to put on during the daytime. If you have like a little bit of skin showing around your neck, you can see that kind of glow on the skin. Smells not too bad for fake tan. You can't really smell it. You can smell a little bit of the DHA when it starts to work, but it's not overpowering in any way. It's also got a lot of hydrating oils in it, which is fantastic. Garnier Body Summer. This one smells like apricots and very summery. I like the texture. It's very gel-like and light, easy to spread. It absorbs fast, so you can get dressed straight away, which is an excellent thing, especially if you use it during the mornings. I tend to wear gradual tanners in the mornings rather than the evenings. I don't know why. I think I just am sort of thinking about it, whereas at night, in winter, I like to put on a nice body oil, and in the mornings, I'm looking more for a lotion, and a lotion with a hint of DHA, like a gradual tanner, is excellent. Another one I've been trialing is Luna Bronze. Now, this one is a lot more, more of a natural organic product. It's a little bit thicker. It spreads a little bit slower. So this would be one if you're doing it at night, or you know, you're not going to be wearing silk or anything like that, because you do have to rub it in. It's quite thick in consistency, but it smells beautiful. It smells like the bush. It's very fresh. It's actually got a base of aloe vera as well rather than water, so that's really hydrating. It's got loads of like jojoba seed oil, wheat germ oil. So it's beautiful scent of lemon myrtle and lang lang. So I love the fragrance of that one. And then just for something a little bit different, Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Glow Pad. I've loved these for years. They're so clever because they basically slough the skin. You take out one of these little sachets and you rub it over your skin. I won't do it now because I've got stuff on my skin, but it is an AHA peel and a tanner in one. So it'll take off any dead skin cells at the same time as adding a little bit of DHA to your skincare routine. Now, these are the new Gradual Glow variants, so I thought it would be perfect to include in here. I used it last night. You can see I've got a little bit of bronziness to the skin, but not overly so, because if you are a little bit scared of facial self-tanners, this is a good introduction without, you know, worrying that you're going to get streaky brown streaks on your face. So that's my roundup. Enjoy. Bye.